Good afternoon. Well, winter is still holding on across the United Kingdom. Early this morning we had temperatures down as low as -4 to -6, but as you head across towards Scandinavia it was far colder here, -33, and that's all under the influence of high pressure. But further south, as you can see, we've got areas of low pressure and weather fronts, and they're already bringing cloud into the far southwest of the United Kingdom. These areas of low pressure will continue working their way across Central Europe, and the weather fronts will always come into the south of the United Kingdom. And heading up against that cold air, it means that these weather fronts will be producing some more winter weather. Now, it looks as though it's going to be late on Tuesday and into Thursday that we're going to see the greatest risk of heavy snow, particularly across central parts, and that really means Northern Ireland, Wales and down into the Midlands, with less of a risk, as you can see, around the fringes of that. But that heavy snow will be accompanied by some very strong winds, and that could lead to some blizzard conditions too. Now, already we're beginning to see that change in the far southwest. This weather front bringing in some rain. It's been a pretty process actually, that rain just fringing its way into Cornwall now. We've seen 7 millimetres falling in the last few hours in the Isles of Scilly. But with that, the winds are also freshening, and by the end of this afternoon I think we will see gusts up to around 50 to 60 miles an hour. So there's the change in the south and the west, but away from that, generally dry and fine for the rest of the afternoon, but 1 or 2 snow showers still for the north of Scotland and the Northern Isles. Temperatures today around 6 to 7 degrees, and then tonight we keep that band of cloud, rain, sleet and snow in the far south. Away from that, with clear skies, it will be another cold, frosty night. Temperatures down as low as -4 to -6, and that means icy stretches on the roads. That's underneath the high pressure, and for tomorrow you can see we keep high pressure there, but the weather front in the south will continue to give rain, sleet and snow over the higher ground. There will be a good deal of sunshine, I think, away from that, with temperatures around 5 to 6 degrees. Into Wednesday, that's when we start seeing that band of cloud and rain, sleet and snow moving its way northwards, and this is, as I said, where we could see the greatest risk of disruption, especially with those gale force easterly winds. Into Thursday, well, it looks as though those same sort of areas could see that cloud and rain. It may just try and push further north into parts of Scotland. But all north of Scotland, it's going to stay drier and clearer here with a good deal of sunshine before rain and snow arrives later on. Bye-bye.